With the 14th pick in the 2026 CONEXPO-CON Product Display Draft, Superior Industries selects the Conveyor Load Zone Impact Cradle.
Well, Matt, we made it to the end of another CONEXPO-CON draft. Did it go the way you thought it would?
A few surprises, but for the most part, I think it went about how I thought it would.
And a lot of new products, too, coming from Superior. This one solves a lot of problems for conveyor owners. The Impact Cradle with the 14th pick. This one is not irrelevant at all. We can't call this Mr. Irrelevant because it solves some problems.
It most certainly does, yeah, especially in the impact for load zones for sure. It solves a lot of issues for the customers.
Like what? Tell us how.
A couple things, you know, the curve design eliminates any gap between the impact bed itself and the belt because it just follows the natural curve of the belt, so there's no gaps inside there at all. The other thing is for replacement. Typically with an impact bed, you're going to have to do a lot of work to replace the impact bed or the bars. Where with this design, you simply, slide off the brackets on the end, and you just push on a new one. You pound it through the mallet, and then you just kind of push them through from one side to the next, and easily, replace them from the outside of the conveyor.
All these segments individually come off. So
correct.
A major difference in working with those long bars, which are cumbersome and hard to get into that zone. The Impact Cradle, the last pick of our draft. I'm sad to see it go. I was hoping for more products.
Yeah, I mean, maybe there'll be some surprise picks here at the end after this, but I think that's it for tonight.
A big booth to fill up a 25,000 square foot booth for Superior at CONEXPO-CON in the silver lot, right underneath the monorail stop there at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Come down the escalators, take a left, you're right in our booth. You can't miss it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in Las Vegas.